writing style inspiring. Hey, it's time to talk about something that can truly transform your life: willpower. That's right, that incredible force within you that pushes you to get up and move even when every fiber of your being just wants to hit snooze. So what exactly is willpower? Think of it as your inner power supply that fuels you to pursue your dreams and goals no matter the obstacle. It's what keeps you going on a long run, helps you study for that exam when you'd rather be chilling, and yes, it even helps you say no to that extra slice of pizza when you're trying to eat healthier. But here's a secret: willpower isn't just something you're born with or without. It's like a muscle. And the more you train it, the stronger it gets. So how do you strengthen this muscle? Let's dive in. First, start small. Willpower can be overwhelmed if you try to tackle too much at once. Want to start exercising? Begin with a few minutes a day, not a full marathon. Looking to improve your diet? Try swapping out one unhealthy item at a time. Small victories build your willpower muscle, making it stronger every day. Next, set clear goals. It's hard to hit a target you can't see. Define what you want to achieve in clear, manageable steps. Write them down, make a plan, and stick to it. Each step forward will boost your confidence and your willpower. And remember, self-care is crucial. Exhaustion and stress are the arch enemies of willpower. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating right, and giving yourself time to relax and recharge. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy. Sometimes your willpower will be tested and you might stumble, but that's okay. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. So, are you ready to master the art of willpower? Start small, stay focused, and take care of yourself. Your dreams aren't as far away as they seem. Let's get moving, let's achieve, and let's transform our lives. One strong, willful step at a time. Remember, the only limit is the one you set yourself. Keep pushing, keep striving, and keep growing. Until next time, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more motivational insight.